Are you ready for some yoga? Are you ready for some yoga?
What's your little name?
Jake. The Jake is the one with the stripe up the nose.
I can't see your
That was Nico. That was Nico. Let's see this guy.
Look at your name. Look at down here. Oh, now it's on the other
You
side.
ready? Are you
We
ready?
can't win, can we?
All these little guys are ready for yoga. They're excited. Wanna play.
Oh my gosh!
The little German short hair.
SCI Fractal Prison, where they're paired up with 2 offenders who train them in crate training, house training, leash walking, all the basic obedience.
Press back into our sits bone. Allow your facial muscles to relax. Inhale your shoulders up to your face. In yoga, pranayama is known as breath control. Let's begin to control our breaths, noticing each inhale and exhale as it leaves and enters our body. Inhale deep, letting the abdomen expand. Inhaling up into the ribs. And pausing to play with the puppies if you need to. Let's bring it back to table. Nice flat back. And we'll extend our left leg back behind us. Just be careful. Watching where your foot is headed. Okay. It's a little cozy and tight in here today. So let's put that leg straight out. Try not to lift it. You want everything to be in a nice long line. Once you find your center, the next exhale, we exhale our right leg out behind us. Squeeze the glutes in, tighten your core. Make sure that your toes are flexed in towards your shins. And when you're ready, we'll exhale the left hand out. Allowing your gaze to follow your fingers. Take a step out with those hands. Curl your toes under, and we'll lift up into downward facing dog. Making sure that your hips are lifted, your tailbone is pressing towards the sky. Bring your gaze towards your thighs or your kneecaps. Allow a small bend to come into your knees. Bring that arm leg off to elongate. The tailbone to lift. And remember, you can always come down onto your knees if you need to. Sway your hips from side to side, allowing the spine the movement that it needs to warm up, and the hips to warm up. Let's lift the right leg up. And remember, we're flexing those toes in towards the shins. contracting the calf muscle. Bring your gaze up in between your two thumbs, and we're going to bring that right leg forward and place it in between our two hands. Towards the mat. And if your chest isn't comfortably touching the mat, you can double stack your fists and rest your head on your fists.
Hey, you would think.
Hey.
That one nice.
No, no, no.
Which one is that one? Is that Nico? Is it? Again.
Begin to walk your hands back in towards your body as you lift your upper body up. Let's bring ourselves to seated position. Crossing your legs in front. And exhale back down. Come all the way onto your back. Reach your hands up overhead. Point your toes. Point your toes, reach your hands, come into that full body morning stretch. You guys see? I don't have snacks. So if you're able to, if you're not being assaulted by a dog, we're going to bring our hands up over our heads and relax into cobbler.
No, don't bite me. No,
Very smart.
Are you okay?
I'm laughing like
Out in front of us.
Stop it,
right face, that's her. That one's a Fiona.
Reach your arms out overhead and we'll come all the way up into a sit-up. Coming into a sit-up, reaching our hands out towards our feet.
Hey, be nice. Be nice. Be nice.
Inhale your hands up.
No.
Let them float down. Bring opposite elbow to the outside of the opposite knee and look over your left shoulder. Oh my God. It tickles. Crazy.
No.
I know. That's what I'm trying to do too. Stop it.
Which one? That one, Jake.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Begin to unwind. Uncrossing your leg.
was looking at me.
Work our way into the other side. So we'll take that right leg. Cross the foot over so that it's resting on the earth.
These guys are great.
Bring your knees together and then roll back onto your backs again. The right knee comes into the chest. Okay, keep going. Let's grab that right leg back behind our thigh. Flex the toes in towards your shins.
Daring you're 3 now.
Oh my gosh, you're never going to be able to lower back down. There. Let's start to straighten out the lower leg. And then our toes press towards the sky. Remember, you can always keep a small bend in the knees to allow cushion. Let go of your leg. Reach those hands up.
What's in there? No earrings either.
Straighten out that lower leg. Begin to press it up towards the sky. Then let go of your leg. Reach your hands out over top. Oh my gosh, I think I stole your birthday. I just took it from biting somebody else's leg. Let your body begin to relax. Let's focus on pranayama again, that breath control. Your exhale is your calm and your relaxation. So with each exhale, free your mind, loosen up your body. Send those exhales to points of your body that are holding tension. Return back to neutral and lower down, resting your face on your mat or your hands.